Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share my experience of making apple jam. I'm not an expert, this is the first time I'm making. I just took down the recipe from my mom and gave it a try. Wash the apples and pat dry them with a kitchen towel or a tissue. You can then chop all the apples into small pieces and collect them in a bowl with water just to avoid them into turning black. You have to also remove the seeds and clean the apples while chopping them. Once you're done chopping the apples, take them in a thick bottom pan with enough water and let them cook for around 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium flame. Check if apples are cooked thoroughly. You can take one piece on a plate and check if they are soft. Once the apples are cooked, you can pass them to a strainer and drain out all the water. You can then mash it and get a smooth pulp. You can also blend the cooked apples in a blender jar, but that would not give you a good consistency. So this is how the apples should look after they are mashed well, and all the skin will also be removed. You have to now cook the pulp for 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. Add sugar and mix well. When sugar is mixed well, add citric acid. It's also called as nimbu ka phool, and give it a good mix. Keep stirring till the mixture thickens up a bit. You can then take a drop test by just taking a spoon of jam and dropping it in a plate. And it should not be of a flowy consistency. It should be thick and not just drop down. You can add any food color. I've used red. It's completely optional, you can skip this. After adding food color, give it a good mix and let it cool down for a few minutes. You can then transfer the pulp to glass jars, but do it when it's still warm and not very cold. You can spread this jam over chapati or bread and have it just like that. Or you may also use this jam to make a quick dessert by using simple ingredients that are available at home. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you all liked it. Please do subscribe, like and share.